Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. This is your bonus love messages for the month of June 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it helped you out in some manner. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius. Take whatever is resonating and leave the rest, because this is the general bonus love messages, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. Okay, I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. Okay, let's start your reading and let's see what are the bonus love messages for Aquarius for the month of June 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver for Aquarius June 2021. A new start is coming for you, Aquarius. What are the messages? Okay, what are the messages for Aquarius for the month of June 2021? Okay, what are the messages for Aquarius June 2021 which I need to deliver? Give me the messages. Any other message? Okay, so nothing is yet in stone, Aquarius. Your commitment is being tested. Have faith in your dreams and adjustments will be required. Okay, so that's the message which I am getting for you. Have faith in your dreams. You have to keep faith in your dreams. Okay, your commitment is being tested. Nothing is yet in stone. Okay, nothing is yet in stone and your commitment is being tested. Adjustments are required, but you are very close to achieving your goal. Okay, maybe there are some kind of adjustments which are required, but you are very close to achieving your goal. You need to step out of your comfort zone. Step out of your comfort zone and hold your vision. Okay, hold your vision and step out of your comfort zone. You need to step out of your comfort zone here. Okay, then this is a time to give rather than to take. New moon in Virgo. This is a time to give rather than to take. You are good enough. Full moon in Virgo. Your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. Okay, whatever dreams you have, your dreams need a practical plan. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. And a new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. So what, you are ending a old cycle, okay, a tough cycle that is going to end for you. A new romantic cycle is going to start for you. Okay, communication is the key. New moon in Gemini. Okay, the answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. So whatever answers you are requiring, you need, that answers are coming for you. A win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. Okay, prosperity lies ahead. New moon in Taurus. Okay, then there is you and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. Personal issue reaches resolution. Full moon in Cancer. So these are the messages from Moonology deck, and the signs which you may be dealing with are Capricorn, Libra, Taurus, Virgo, Gemini or Cancer. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, so that was your messages. Thank you, Moonology deck, for giving the message. Let's set my message from the numerology deck and see what are the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? For the month of June. What are the messages? Karmic completion. You are completing out a cycle, that is for sure. Okay. Spirituality. Spirituality, you becoming more spiritual day by day, and you are having a spiritual career here. There is a spirituality and spiritual career, both are here. Okay, maybe you can see number synchronicities of 777, 707 or 717. That can be a possibility. But spiritual career, many of you Aquarius, you are having spiritual career here. Okay, number 7 is important for you Aquarius. 1 and number 7. There is a lot of healing which is coming for you. Okay, healing is coming for you. Self-love is indicated here, so you have to love yourself first. Okay, then there is time out and nature, so you have to take a rest Aquarius, and you can spend some time in nature. Okay, if you're working a lot, you have to take a break from your work and spend some time in nature. There is pride and there is individuality which is here. Okay, so there is pride and individuality, and there is moderation. Try to eat healthy as much as you can. Okay, try to eat healthy. And there is karmic completion, which you are completing. So you're completing a karmic cycle here. Okay, you are completing a karmic cycle, you are closing out a karmic cycle here. So the numbers which are important for you is 1, 6 and 7. Maybe you are seeing number 96, that can be a possibility. Okay, or 777, 707, 717, that can be a possibility. So that are the messages which I am having for you from numerology deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from animal spirits for Aquarius June 2021. Please give me the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver? What are the messages? So there are 5 messages. There is outer spirit, you are never alone, and there is warp spirit. Sometimes life stinks, but don't worry Aquarius, you are not alone. Okay, you are having divine universe, angel guidance. Okay, so you are never alone. There is a squirrel spirit, believe in yourself. Okay, believe in yourself. Then there is armadillo spirit, set up healthy boundaries around yourself. Okay, set up healthy boundaries around yourself. Then there is grasshopper spirit, take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. This is the Fool card energy here. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Beautiful message. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add messages from Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. What is the message for Aquarius June 2021? Give me the messages. Please help me out to deliver the message. You are being protected by the... I told you, you are not alone. Okay, you are being protected by the divine, by the universe, by the angels. Any other message? Okay. Sanctuary, and there is celebration. So some kind of celebration is coming towards you here in the month of June. Okay, then there is sanctuary and there is protection. So you are not alone, you are being protected by the universe here. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from Super Attractor. Give me one message for Aquarius. What am in awe of magnificent guidance that is available for me. That is available to me. I am in awe of the magnificent guidance that is available to me. This is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Quantum Oracle deck for Aquarius. This wants to come out. Okay, I'm going to take it. Honoring path. You're going to get success, recognition, victory. What are the messages? Please give me the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? June 2021, which I need to deliver. Any other message? Wow. So there is a teacher around you, Aquarius, who is helping you out. Okay, that teacher is helping you out. There is a teacher, you know better, but there is a teacher who is helping you out. The honoring path is here for you. Maybe in your consciousness there are some dark thoughts, but don't be in this dark thoughts. Okay, get out of this dark thoughts, and the true love is coming for you in the month of June. The true love is coming. Beautiful. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Okay, thank you for giving the message. Okay, see, reconciliation. Reconciliation is here for the month of June for Aquarius. Okay, what is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the message. Wow, new beginnings. What is the message for Aquarius, June 2021? What is the message? What is the message you want me to deliver? Okay. Wow. The answers you are looking for are coming for you. Okay. The answers you need are coming. Okay, the answers you need are coming. 0555. You need some kind of answers, and that answers are coming for you. Okay, the answers are coming here. There is new beginnings which are coming for you, Aquarius, in the month of June. This is beautiful. Financial health and the home. Okay, happy family, happy life. Maybe you buy a home, you will buy a home. That can be a possibility. Okay, so financial health is coming for you. Trust yourself. Okay, keep your strength with you. Freedom is coming for you. Okay, the strength and freedom. Lot of trust. You need to keep your trust. Okay, lot of blessings are coming for you in the month of June. And see again, commitment is coming for you from your true love, from your divine counterpart, from your twin flame, from your soulmate, but commitment is coming. So these are the messages for you, Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see one message from these self-care cards. Give me one message. Wisdom. Wisdom. Let go of the need to control. Trust in the wisdom of a divine plan. Trust the divine plan. Okay, divine has the best plan for you, so trust in the wisdom of a divine plan. That's the message I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the message. Let's see what is the message from your guides. What are the messages for Aquarius? What is the message for Aquarius? Again, you are never alone, Aquarius. Okay, ask for guidance. Calm is not a weakness. Be of service. Your beliefs are right for you, that you are having a journey within yourself. Okay, your beliefs are right for you. Take responsibilities for your action. Be of service. Kindness counts. Okay, so be of service. Kindness counts. Understand your body. Okay, understand your body. Your body is trying to give you some kind of messages. Focus on the positive. Focus on the positive. You are never alone. You can ask for guidance. Okay, ask for guidance. You are never alone. Live your bliss. Calm is not a weakness. So that was your message from your guides. Thank you guides for giving the message. Let's add one message from Law of Attraction. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Give me one message. The goal of happiness is important enough. The reason you are not conscious of any specific pre-birth goals is because there were no specific goals. You had before your birth general intentions such as being happy, being an uplifter, having continued growth, but the specific process to achieve those things are up to you to decide here and now. In this time, you are the creator. Okay, you are the creator. So that's the message which I am getting here for you. Thank you for giving the message. Let's see what is the message from the universe. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the message you want me to deliver? Help me, universe. Please help me out to give the message. What are the messages from your side? What are the message? What are the message for Aquarius? Any other message for Aquarius? All there is to love has been there all along with you, Aquarius. Okay, when you begin to find love in people and places where you have not found it before, it always because you have grown. Okay, so you rock. That's the message from the universe. Don't be misled. Forgive. Okay, forgive anyone who requires your forgiveness and forgive yourself too. So don't be misled and forgive is the message. You know what to do. Okay, you already know what to do. This is very powerful message. Karma is on your side. Okay, the wheel of fortune, the karma is on your side. It's not as if you need anyone. Earlier disappointments were just rehearsal for the great stuff coming your way, and you will be surprised. This is very powerful message from the universe. Okay, the whatever disappointments was there in your life before, that was just a rehearsal for the great stuff which is coming in your life, Aquarius. And once they will come, you will be surprised. You will be surprised. This is beautiful. Thank you, universe, for giving the messages. I love it. Let's see one affirmation from the love and relationship. What is the affirmation you need me to deliver? One affirmation. Give me one affirmation for Aquarius, June 2021. Please give me one affirmation. Okay. Perspective. See the picture from a highest perspective. Okay, what does a hawk see when it flies over your house? Beside the family of mice living nearby that you don't know about, what will your current problems, conflicts, complaints look like when you are 8 years old and you gaze back on the timeline of your life? In this moment, you are being given the gift of clear perspective of knowing that in the end, everything is going to be okay. Okay, probably much better than that. Think large enough and even big issues become small. Become an 8-year-old hawk and you are really onto something. This is the bonus card. So see the picture, see the different perspective, see the things from a higher perspective here. Okay. So that's the beautiful message I'm getting here for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see one message from Love Yourself. I use my words and thoughts as a tool to shape my future. That you can use as an affirmation. Okay, life is very simple, Aquarius. You can use that affirmation for you, that I create my experiences by my thinking and feeling patterns. But what I believe about myself and about my life becomes true for me. Okay, so these are the messages which I am getting here for you. That was your bonus love messages, and I hope it will help you out in some manner. Okay, if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius. Okay, sending you lots of love, healing, light and blessings to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Oh, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.